Can I have your resume, please? Okay. So, what's your name?
This is Krishna.
Okay. What about your education?
I have completed my graduation, BTech.
You have completed your project also, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shivakrishna, tell something about yourself.
Good afternoon. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Shivakrishna City from Andhra Pradesh, madam. I was currently staying in Hyderabad. So I have completed my graduation on civil engineering stream from Sasi Institute of Technology and Engineering College, madam. It is in Tadepalli, madam. So I have come from a nuclear family consisting of 4 members. And coming to my strengths, I was a self-confident. I have good self-confidence, madam. I believe in. I was a self-motivated person and a disciplined individual with technical skills of basis of Java, Python, HTML and CSS and manual testing, madam. So coming to my hobbies, I am a story writer, madam. I write stories and songs and poetry, madam. I read books regarding Indian mythology, and I also do. I was interested in crafting, madam. So I use crafts making of pop sticks and all, and I was also interested in cooking also, madam. So these are my hobbies, and so if I wanted to tell something brief about me, I was an enthusiastic person who believes in the process of continuous learning, madam. So acquiring knowledge, learning new things and all, I was interested in, and also participating in competitions also I was very interested. With these enthusiasm and all, during my all academics I have participated in many technical events and secured some prizes and appreciation also, madam. So and lastly, I was a disciplined individual who I believe in reconstructing my lifestyle and improve my skill sets from with the learnings from past experiences to make better me all the time. So this was a brief impression about me.
Okay, Shivakrishna, if company, would you like for a company?
Madam, actually I believe in if we can't run the show with the live, madam. Why? Because if our productivity will also be decreases, because we need to manage both things, that we have some fear in us, because if it get the lie get disclosed and all, so we may lose something, some loyalties and some respect also, trustworthiness also we may lose, madam. So I believe in, instead of easily trying with a lie, so convincing or conveying with the fact and making others to believe what the situation is, and make them confident about a situation that we can deal with that fact, and if it was not that much productively going well. So if the situations are not at all in our hands and there is no paths to go further with the fact that we were dealing with the problem we are facing now. So always going with the life is my last option only. So I can say I can lie, madam, but it was my last option only if I have no path to go with it.
How long would you accept to work for us if we hired you?
For this I can say that I can be and I will be work with this institute, or as long as the institution or the organization provide me a very good working environment, or job satisfaction and career growth, and with these and with these all these things, I expect a desired respect and appreciations for my hard work, madam. And these are the main things that only disturbs that only makes me think about the shifting or changing of the my jobs for the companies and all. If I was satisfied with all the above mentioned things, and I was satisfied provided with all the things, means definitely I can stay there for long, madam. So with flow with the times.
Where do you see yourself in next 5 years from now if I hire you?
Madam, for this thing, I can't be that predictable that where I can be in the next 5 years, because I can't be that predictable and that judgmental. But I was somebody who likes and who believe in the learning is a continuous process, madam. So with that continuous process of learning, we can acquire more knowledge, we can be professional in what things we are making and all. So with these things, I can say that wherever I can be after 5 years, I was 5 years more learned, 5 years more knowledgeable, and 5 years more experienced, madam. So this was my answer for that thing.
Okay. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, madam. If I was hired, if you were satisfied with my answers and all, and techniques, technologies I have learned and I have bringing to the table and all, if I was hired, so what could be my job role, madam, for this job description and all, and I would like to know about the training sessions and KT sessions also, madam. So these are the
What's
things.
the full form of KT?
Knowledge transfer.
Okay. Mostly when they are giving KT?
When somebody entering into the project and all, when the project is with the intermediate of the project, madam, not a person who is not in the project from starting and all, who is
For projects only or else like companies?
I can say companies also, because in every company there is something difference in work environment, madam. So that's what I wanted to learn. I wanted to know about the thing.
Okay. Your name Shiva Krishna, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shiva Krishna. All questions you have answered well only.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, our technical team will approach to you. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.